Bob.
Morning, Sally.
Morning, Steve.
Morning!
You know, this is good. Yes, this is good. I dare say we've had a breakthrough here. With that TV gun, you can finally get out of that garage and put all that racing nonsense behind you.
And do what?
Start living your life.
I have a life?
Big Red?
Big Red!
I can't talk.
I can't talk!
Yes!
Finally.
All right, let's chow down.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Hit the brakes, people. It's Gardener Day.
You're quitting? Just like that?
Hey, nothing ventured, nothing gained.
That's a bad thing! There comes a time in every race when a driver is forced to make that one key split-second decision.
What did he just say?
Take a chance and risk it all, or play it safe and suffer defeat.
Okay. Enough with the crazy talk, Theo. Just step away from the grass and get back to work. Theo!
And the cars are at the starting line. Gentlemen, start your engines. Once again, it's turbo out front.
No dream is too big.
Annihilate! At the stripe! And it looks like the winner is...
Tuck and roll, Theo! Tuck and roll! Are you insane? You could have gotten yourself killed. Theo, what were you thinking?
I thought I could get there.
When are you gonna wake up?